In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Clickup. Recurring tasks are an incredibly useful feature within Clickup that can help you keep track of tasks that need to be completed on a regular basis, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or any other cadence you choose. Let's walk through the steps together to set this up seamlessly. Start by heading over to the Clickup website. Once there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. From here, you'll need to choose how you want to log in. The easiest way, especially if you have a Google account, is to click on Continue with Google. When you do this, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the account you wish to use and you'll be logged into your Clickup workspace swiftly. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace. You'll find it on the left-hand panel of the Clickup interface. This panel is your gateway to all the boards and tasks you have access to. After entering your workspace, the next step is to locate a specific task that you want to make recurring. Click on the task to open it. When the task is open, look for the due date field. It's typically well labeled and easy to spot. Click on this field to trigger the date picker options. Now, here's where the magic begins. You'll see an option labeled Set Recurring. Click on it to access the settings that will allow you to define how and when the task should repeat. Once you're in the recurring settings, you'll need to fill in the details for your recurring task. This step is crucial as it allows you to specify the frequency and timing for the task to automatically repeat. You can choose specific days, such as every Monday, or opt for more intricate patterns, like the last Friday of every month. Ensure you've got this set up exactly how you need it to fit into your schedule and workflow. After filling in all the necessary details, it's time to finalize this setup. Look for the Save button. By clicking this, all your configurations for the recurring task will be locked in place. The task will now repeat automatically based on the criteria you've defined. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to automate your workflow with Clickup's Recurring Tasks feature. By following these steps, you will not only save time, but also reduce the risk of missing out on important, repetitive tasks. Remember, automation is your ally in productivity, and Clickup makes it easy to harness this. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Clickup's help resources or reach out to their support for more assistance. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.